My name is Dr. Rahul Mehra. I am the National Representative of India for UNESCO Chair for Global Health and Education. And I'm also the Executive Chairman of Tarang Health Alliance, which is an NGO which is based in North India. So we have been working in school health program for the last 9 to 10 years. We have started a new campaign today, which is called the 543210 campaign. As you will see, it is a campaign towards healthy living. Why have we started this campaign? The reason is, as you well know, diseases in India are growing. 1 in 3 people are diabetic, heart disease is increasing, blood pressure is increasing of a lot of people. And I think the future of India is right here. I see the future of India in this young man. If I can help him improve his habits, he will grow up to be a strong, healthy individual who can help in the economic development of India as well as his own happiness. So what does the word 5 stands for? 5 stands for every child or an adult should eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. And you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the daily intake of fruits and vegetables. So it can be an apple, it can be a banana, it can be some sabji, it can be saag, it can be gobi, aloo, whatever you like. 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. That is required. What does 4 stand for? 4 stands for that we should be washing our hands very frequently. As you all know, infectious diseases are rampant in India. बहुत infectious diseases हो रही हैं. आपको याद होगा, during the COVID time, everybody used to say, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. But now, even in non-COVID, we have to wash our hands so that we don't pass diseases from one person to the other. And we have to wash with soap and water, not with water only. Soap is essential to kill the germs. So that's 4. What is 3? 3, you'll notice, is we have to have 3 portions of protein every day. 1, 2, 3. What is a portion of protein? A katori of protein, a katori of dal, a katori of rajma, a katori of chana. Or you may, if you like, 2 eggs is 1 portion of protein. You can have 2 pieces of chicken, that's 1 portion of protein. So you must have 3 portions of protein every day, because we tend to be protein deficient. हम protein ज़्यादा नहीं खाते. What is 2? As these young children are growing up, and even adults, cell phones are becoming addictive. We spend hours sitting in front of cell phones, going through social media, Facebook है, Instagram है, Twitter है, जो भी है, या video games खेल रहे हैं. The guidelines are we should not spend more than 2 hours a day on the cell phone or computer for recreational purposes. If you are studying, अब आप कोई research कर रहे हो तो ठीक है, आपको computer में बैठना पड़ेगा. But if you are just using it for recreational purposes, no more than 2 hours a day. That is destroying the mental health of the whole population. बुरी हालत हो रही है. And that's why depression is increasing among young people. So the next one is 1. 1 means you should be physically active for at least 1 hour a day. 1 घंटा, ज़रूर. Whatever you enjoy, if you like sports, you like football, you like walking, you like bicycling, you should be physically active for 1 hour a day at least. Why? It's good for your mental health and it's good for your physical health. And then I come to the final one, which is 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 means 0 tobacco, firstly. Tobacco, as you know, 40% of Indian males are using tobacco. कैंसर हो रहा है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं. No गुटखा, no tobacco, cigarettes, nothing. This is what we are trying to train our children. What are the harmful effects of tobacco? Don't use it, don't start. The other thing about zero is colas are becoming very popular. It's full of sugar. Sugar is the new poison. For example, if you buy a 500 milliliter bottle of Coca-Cola or any other cola for that matter, it has about 15 teaspoons of sugar. That's too much sugar for a day. We should not be having more than 6 teaspoons of sugar in one day. That bottle of cola has more than 2 days of sugar in it. It's poison. So we want that to be zero. And the last thing is these packaged salty snacks. You buy these chips, you buy all these salty snacks. बहुत मिलते हैं यहाँ पर. वो salt से भरे हुए हैं. Salt क्या बर्बाद करता है? BP देता है हमें. Too much salt gives us BP. 1 in 3 adults in India has high blood pressure. अब बच्चों को भी शुरू हो गया. So we have to eliminate all these salty snacks. थोड़ा salt ठीक है, taste के लिए हम खाने में डालते हैं salt. That is okay, but don't overindulge in these packaged snacks. So that is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. आप मानते हो ये अच्छा कैंपेन है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा करोगे ना? आपने ओथ लिया था. He took the oath कि ये ज़रूर मानेगा, ये ज़रूर फॉलो करेगा.